Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim. Class 9th, Subject Physics, Unit number 6. Today is our topic Major Sources of Energy. Last time we have discussed some major sources, and the new one sources is energy from water. Energy from water power is a very cheap. Dams are being constructed at a suitable location in different parts of the world. Dam serves many purposes. They help to control flood by storing water. The water stored in dam is used for the irrigation and also to generate electrical energy without creating much environment problems. So energy stored in water of a dam is used to run a power plant. Here in our Pakistan, there are lots of dams which are working, and some dams are in under construction to fulfill our energy crisis. So the next one source is the energy from the sun. uh, Nowadays we have to know that the sunlight we will use in a proper way to fulfill our energy crisis, and for this purpose we are using solar panels are the simple examples. In daily life you have we have to see that solar cars over there, solar cookers, and some other plants which are working on the solar panels, and these are only use a heat energy, and devices are connected with the plates, and these devices are converting heat energy into the electrical energy. So solar energy is the energy coming from the sun and is used directly and indirectly. Sunlight does not pollute the environment in any way. The sun rays are the ultimate source of life in the earth. Sunlight are the ultimate source of life on the earth. We are dependent on the sun for all our food and fuels. If we find a suitable method to use a fraction of this solar energy reaching the earth, then it would be enough to fulfill our energy requirements. So we have to use a proper way to use the sunlight to fulfill our energy crisis. The next one is a solar house heating. By using this, we can heat our house, we can heat our water for using, and some solar energy is used in solar cookers, solar distillation plants, solar power plants, and so on. So the use of a solar energy is not new. However, the use in houses and offices as well as for the commercial industry purpose in quite recent. Complete solar heating systems are successfully used in areas with a minimum amount of sunlight in winter. A heating system consists of three parts. One is a collector to collect a heat from the sunlight, a storage device that collect the heat and convert into the in other heat energy into the electrical energy, and one is a storage device that is store the energy, and a distribution system, the system which distributes heat all over the system. So by this, first of all, see the diagram. Here is a diagram. Here we can see that there are a sun rays falling on the system, and these are the glass cover, copper tubing, aluminium foil, and that is a roof, and in the roof there are a system that is a heat exchanger. Hot water will be coming from this, and this is a cold water goes to the carbureting tubes, glass over aluminum foils by the pump, and hot water will be a tap here. So A solar collector made of a glass panels over a blank metal plates. The plates absorb the sun's energy which heat a liquid flowing in the pipe at the block back of the collector. Here these are the sunlight, and in these tubes the water is over there, and that is in the cold water. When the sun rays fall on over it, it heats the pipes, and in the pipe water also will be heated, and so it goes to the hot water tub. The hot water can be used for cooking, washing, and heating the building. Solar energy is used in the solar cookers, solar distillation plants, solar power plants, and so on. These are the energy sources. This is our topic.